Now, February is CTE month, and NASA has a really exciting challenge for students that MLC and PBS can support. Every year during Career and Technical Education Month, NASA invites students to create short videos showcasing CTE courses and careers that will be essential for future space missions. What does this mean? Think beyond astronauts. Think engineering and technology, computer science, even food science, welding, and metals fabrication. NASA needs all kinds of careers for our future. Now, here's why I love this challenge. This prompt is so cool. Futures literacy as an area of study and a skill set for students is increasingly important, and encouraging students to think about the how, why, and where of our collective future can bolster creativity and critical thinking. We'll dive into this in a later PD. Also, content creation and digital storytelling are hands down the best way to teach 21st century skills. Project-based learning through media making empowers students to get creative, work collaboratively, and design with purpose. Now, I also get excited about this because I've got you covered with resources. In the description for this video, you can find links to PBS and Michigan Learning Channel lessons on things like interviewing techniques, capturing B-roll, editing high-quality videos, and we'll include a ton of the existing career exploration content we have that can help students think creatively about the careers they might showcase and how to produce segments about them. Finally, I want to feature your students' work. If they do submit their video to NASA, send it our way too. We love celebrating what Michigan students create, and whether or not they win the contest, their voice always has a home on the Michigan Learning Channel.